Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's almost Christmas, and as you guys can see in the title, this video is all about showing you guys the transparency and how much YouTube is essentially going to be paying me for the first time, I guess, being monetized on my channel. So for the ones that don't know, I guess my name is Roland. I run a YouTube channel in Australia. I talk predominantly about EVs or electric vehicles in Australia, along with some tech stuff. So yeah, there'll be more tech stuff in the future, but at this point in time, majority of my content is all around electric vehicles in Australia. And I recently was monetized. My channel was monetized in, I think, roughly mid-November, and so it's been just over a month and a little bit, about a month and a week. And so here's basically what YouTube's going to be paying me. So what you guys see on the screen, I'll shrink myself in terms of this video. What you guys see on the screen is essentially the content page. So since I've been monetized, so that was on 14th of November, you can see I've published roughly about 15 videos that I could see all the way through to the top over here. And so how much did YouTube pay me? So I'm not going to beat around the bush. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to get straight into the dollar figures, and then also going to actually donate the first upcoming payment straight through to charity, because it's the season of giving, and I figured it's something nice to do as a first payment ever for monetizing my channel. So anyways, let's jump into it. So as I said, there's 15 videos that I've published since then. You guys can see all of the views, comments, likes versus dislikes all over here, totally being transparent to you guys. So pause the screen there, feel free to have a look if you guys want. But I'm going to continue moving on to the next tab that is over here, and basically this is the analytics tab. So you can see here what I'm going to donate is essentially all of my estimated revenue for the watch page ads, and it will be from the time I have monetized the channel. So by default, what you guys can see here is it defaults to the last 28 days, and you can basically see here as a YouTuber or in the YouTube studio, the video that you've loaded or uploaded or went live, every single spot over here, and then this one here is the YouTube Shorts. What you can also then see is if you hover up on that green bar, you can also see how much you were actually paid. So for instance, on the 25th of November, I made roughly $3.25. Also, full disclaimer, I am in Australia, so the currency here is in Australian dollars. What you do need to bear in mind as well is that this is just revenue made. So this is not taking into account taxes and any other charges after that. But this is the revenue that I will potentially be paid whenever that date is, because I haven't received the first payment yet, but we will be progressing through this video anyway. So as I said, $3.25 on 25th of November. You'll see a bigger spike here, $5.56 on 29th of November. You'll see $5.90 on the 6th of December, $7.97 16th of December, and so forth. So as I said, by default, last 28 days, estimated revenue $80.34. Let's jump down to look at November. So for the month of November, $66.25. You can see the biggest spike here was $11.02 per day, and the closest one here in terms of views was going to be 2 videos published, new EV brands coming into Australia, and the EV weekly wrap, and then hitting the 1,000 subscribers. And then we've also got over here the Sydney International EV Auto Show panel. So yeah, that seemed to have been the biggest in November. So roughly for the, I guess, 3 weeks, roughly in 2.5 to 3 weeks in November, $66.25. And then let's jump over to December. So far today I'm recording on the 22nd of December. It's $58.65. And so if I go to the last 90 days, because that's more than what the duration of when my channel has been monetized, you can see I've got an estimated revenue of $124.90. So again, pause the screen there, have a look at any stats if you want, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop it in the comment box below, and be more than happy to discuss. But long story short is $124.90 is the amount we are going to donate. And a big thank you to all of the viewers out there, subscribers, channel members, you name it. You guys are the ones that have made this happen, and I am doing this for you all. Anyways, let's go through with the donation. As I said, $124.90 is the amount we're going to donate, even if that is excluding any taxes that happen on my end once I receive that payment, whenever that is. So let's jump straight over through to the charity and let's get this donated sorted. So my donation of choice, guys, is the Starlight Children's Foundation. I guess really just for personal reasons, and I guess going to school growing up here in Australia, I used to see Starlight Children's Foundation a fair bit, and yeah, I believe in their cause, and so they are the ones that I am going to choose to donate to. So $124.90 is the amount that we are going to donate. I am going to skip through to the end of processing this payment right now. Okay, there you go. Money's complete, and yeah, that's it. And so I want to end this video by saying again, guys, thank you for you guys watching the videos. This isn't the final wrap-up video for the year, but just a big shout out, and hope that transparency gives you guys the insights. If you guys want to start a YouTube video, or a YouTube channel, sorry, I should say, if you are going to be in the like car industry, automotive industry, or talking about car news, that's roughly what you'd expect to see based on the views that I've got. So it's been monetized for about just over a month. So yeah, hope you guys are well. See you soon for more content. Take care.